2, 3, 4. Don't count, right? 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Full of Life, episode 4. We're back, and today's going to be a fun one. We've got a special guest, Alex George, and we're going to teach you some acro. 5 moves. Well, I say we're going to teach you. It's going to be a learning process.
Everyone's smiling normally.
They're friendly here.
What's so friendly? I gave you a big discount.
Oh yeah? Big discounts on the coffee this morning. Winning. What would you go for? A latte? Americano. How are you?
Good. Cheers, coffee works. Replace the other one, perfect, you know me.
Cheers.
Cheers.
How are you?
I'm good, you alright?
Yeah, not bad.
It's good, your videos going well, aren't they? Really good.
So well that Alex wants to be on one.
Yeah, exactly.
This is going to be enough.
You know, I haven't been training for ages, right? I haven't been training since we last trained.
Alex always takes longer in the changing room. Olympic top?
Huh?
No, I thought you were going to roll GB.
No,
Yeah.
bam. It worries me that you've got plan. I'm quite scared.
What I think is going to be hard is because you've got really long legs.
And really tight hamstrings.
Yeah.
I'm generally really inflexible, but we can work at it.
We can work with it. In a thigh.
Mate, you've got
Let's give some knowledge.
You've got gracilis runs down there, you've got loads of obturators, you've got about 20 muscles in the thigh. Which muscle? Hello?
Quick business call. Mid-workout. Okay, so we're going to give you 5, ending with the penultimate one, which is going to be tricky. But the first 5, hopefully, are ones you can try at home. Ready? Oh my god! Do you reckon I could be a boxer? That would be my tactic, just straddle them. Oh, you've got socks on, that's kind of new. I was thinking I was going to have your smelling feet. I don't know whether to take my socks off. Haven't had a pedicure.
That's right.
So see, like, you can see that it's nice there, but then the top bit's not, so...
It's a sporting injury.
I'll just keep them on. This is one move, so we're going to go for 5 different ones.
Okay.
So you just take my weight.
Yeah.
Oh. I wonder if I can let go. Are you sure? Okay.
You bottled it.
Okay, so that's move number 1. Handstand on your shoulders. It's going to get harder.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah, this isn't going to be actually that easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't count, right? 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. It was a slow 5. On your back.
Yeah.
Okay, and then I'm going to stand like that. Yeah. Give me your legs. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Legs straight. Okay, I'm going to go for the 5-second hold. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give me your legs. We did it! Oh, love it. That was so good. That was good. That was really good. We did it.
That's like 5 times. We tried it 5 times. 4 times before.
Yeah, we did. And I like fell into the weights rack. Solid. So that's 3.
Boom.
I've got an idea for one. I don't know if it is an actual one, but it could be funny.
Yeah.
Because you said you've not been to the gym for ages.
Yeah, alright, thanks
Okay,
for mentioning that again.
actually, no, that's a secret. I was thinking you could try and chest press me.
Yeah. How many kilos are you?
Oh, I think I've gone up a couple since I saw you.
Are you back?
Yeah, okay, right. Arms straight, is that a good position?
hard one to... No, stop it. Lock your legs.
Oh, yes!
Position.
Go on, Alex. One more. Go on.
You're like you're cracking up the same time. That's up. He's like, wait.
55, 56 kilos.
Not quite the same time as pound the bar, but never mind.
I reckon now we try a sequence.
3, 2, 1, go. Like that.
Yeah, that's it. We're done. Take my foot.
Yeah.
That one. Yeah, okay, now level out. Let's relax here.
Yeah.
Okay. Namaste. So we're in the seat.
Yeah.
That was easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you're slowly going to walk this one. So hold your legs straight, arms straight. So shall I just go for it?
Yeah. That doesn't work. Yeah, so we need to master that last bit. We're so close. Yeah.
Because we got excited and we're like, we've almost done it. Right, so we're in the chair. Comfortable, no problems. Okay.
Glad you're comfortable. Foot back.
Okay, don't panic, arms straight. Alex.
Yeah, I got you. You're right, easy now. Easy.
Okay, now pushing over. Yes! We did it! That was so good, come on.
Once you're in that bit at the end, it was actually stable. That was the most stable bit. I sat there for ages.
Oh, but you're so tall. I was
scary.
like, so high when I was in the
You
chair.
could have grabbed onto that.
I just cheated.
Yeah.
Mega.
That was good. Whew.
Do you think people could do that at home?
Look, if I could, well, actually you did the hard bit, but if I can do the bass, then anyone can do the bass. All you need is the Olympic athlete to do it with you, and you'll definitely achieve it. God.
That was hard.
I thought you were breaking your neck.
That was really hard.
I'm glad I'm down here.
So
I'm like that.
you basically can't like move. You've got to stay. That's your workout. Stay
Strong
like that.
core.
There we go.
She's strong.
You're strong though.
How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm actually fine. For those of you who want to try an easy one, this one's not too bad. Imagine, how about if you went into press up position? Do you think you could hold me? You reckon? No way! Oh, yes, we've just invented a new one. that's quite a good one.
It's getting slippy on that one.
I wonder if you could do one on me.
What, that?
You could fly. Yes!
There we go.
I flew you. Where are we going?
I think I need a sunny holiday actually. Should we go
Maldives.
Caribbean?
Maldives. Actually, I've never been to the Caribbean. Solid. I think that's pretty much a wrap. Christmas extravaganza. Have you ever done that before?
Or be like, come on, subscribe.
Yeah, on YouTube. Apparently, you're meant to say like, subscribe. Oh yeah, like, they say, don't they?
Yeah. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe.
Subscribe. Full of Life, episode 4, Acro, with Aimee and
Alex George. So Amy's doing a great job with Full of Life, her YouTube channel. You should definitely subscribe and give her a couple of likes and definitely give some comments about how she can do better in the future. Because we all like to improve, right?
We do. Improvement is
good, constructive feedback is important.
It is. Oh, thanks.
High five. Thanks for having me.
Easy. I think that was a good episode. Hope you'll be back. Going to France on... When am I going to France? In like 2 days. So the next episode is going to be from the snow. You will be glad to know.
The Aimee Fuller. Head over to her YouTube channel, it's Full of Life, where basically she puts loads of people through their paces, teaches them a bit of exercise and has a bit of fun, right?
Acro.
Acro.